Loops. A statement or a set of statements that is executed repeatedly is called loop. The statements in a loop are executed for a specified number of times or until some given condition remains true. In C++, there are three kinds of loop statements. These are the for loop, the while loop, the do-while loop. 1. The for loop. The for loop statement is used to execute a set of statements repeatedly for a fixed number of times. It is also known as count for loop. The structure of this loop is different from both the while and the do-while loops. It has the following parts. I. Initialization. E. Condition. I.e. increment or decrement. Body of the loop. The general syntax of the for loop is for initialization, condition, increment/decrement. 2. The while loop. It is a conditional loop statement. It is used to execute a statement or a set of statements as long as the given condition remains true. The syntax of the while loop is while condition, statement. 3. The do-while loop. The do-while loop is also a condition loop statement. It is like while loop, but in this loop the condition is tested after executing the statements of the loop. The syntax of the do-while is do, statements, while condition.